Hello, and thank you for your interest in Komatsu products. Today, we're going to take a look at the newest addition to Komatsu's wheel loader lineup, the Komatsu WA200-8 hydrostatic or HST wheel loader. This loader shares many strengths and key features with the larger HST machines. Like the WA270-8 and the WA320-8, the WA200-8 has a large pillarless cab with improved visibility, a multifunction mito lever, automatic traction control, and reduced fuel consumption. Updated features include a new operator seat, the operator identification function, and the US EPA Tier 4 final compliant engine with selective catalytic reduction. Let's take a closer look at the features and improvements to the new WA200-8 HST wheel loader. Let's get started. The hydrostatic transmission on the Komatsu WA200-8 loader provides quick response and aggressive drive into material piles. The HST system eliminates any gear shifting or kickdown operation, allowing the operator full concentration on digging and loading. During travel, when the accelerator pedal is released, the HST acts as a dynamic brake and slows the loader, which dramatically extends the life of the wet disc brakes. Another important feature is the variable traction control system that allows the operator to select the traction control setting to better match working conditions. For example, S mode can be selected in slippery or snowy conditions to reduce tire spin. When the traction control switch is in the neutral position, traction control can be set to one of three stages using the monitor, allowing the operator to select the optimum tractive effort for diverse road conditions. The max setting provides the full 100% tractive effort. Taking a look at the work equipment, the WA200-8 comes standard with a heavy-duty parallel Z-bar or PZ linkage, pinned to a cast steel cross tube. The boom cylinders are tied into our electronic controlled suspension system for maximum ride comfort and minimum load spillage. With the optional hydraulic coupler installed, the operator can change the work tools without leaving the cab. With forks installed, the parallel lift makes short work of pallet handling. With a bucket installed, the exceptional breakout force and lifting force of the WA200 combine for easy bucket filling. The versatile machine will work for almost any application. Front fenders with mud flaps are standard equipment, as is the easy access inclined ladder with wide steps and ergonomic handholds. The cab door handle can be reached from ground level, allowing the door to be fully opened and latched before the operator climbs into the cab. The spacious rollover protection system and falling object protection system cab is supported with Komatsu's unique viscous mounts. The low noise engine, hydraulic driven fan, and improved cab sealing result in quiet, low vibration, dust-proof, and comfortable operating environment. Let's get in the cab. The WA200-8 machines have a new heated air suspension seat that provides enhanced support on rough roads and dampens machine vibrations, providing a more comfortable ride for the operator. The angle of the armrests are fully adjustable for optimum operator comfort. The multifunction mono lever is standard equipment and includes a secondary forward neutral reverse or FNR switch for easy machine direction changes. Enhancing the value-added features of the WA200-8 is the new Comtrax Level 5. This is standard equipment and utilizes cellular communication for faster data transfer. Comtrax Level 5 also includes new functionality called Operator ID. Operator ID allows information such as fuel and DEF consumption, operation hours, and other service information to be reported through Comtrax to a unique ID number. These ID numbers don't necessarily need to be used to track specific operators. They can be used to break down machine usage data per shift, crew, or job number. Another important feature of the Komatsu cabs is the plentiful storage. To the right of the dash is the drink storage, while behind the seat on the right is a flat tray. The lunchbox tray with tie-down strap is behind the seat to the left, and next to that is a small storage compartment that will hold the operation and maintenance manual. Also on the left, we have storage built into the door panel. Overhead on the right are the radio and rear windshield defroster switches. Finally, behind the seat we have the auxiliary audio input jack, as well as two 12-volt outlets. As we move towards the rear of the loader, we notice this machine has the optional full rear fenders installed. These fenders are attached to large gull wing engine doors, which allow ease of access to the machine's engine compartments. The engine doors require minimum effort to fully open and close, thanks to gas-assisted struts. Taking a look in the engine compartment, the WA200-8 is equipped with the Tier 4 final engine technology that meets 2015 EPA standards of 80% reduction in oxides of nitrogen, or NOx. The Tier 4 final engine utilizes Komatsu's proven Tier 4 interim technology with the addition of selective catalytic reduction, or SCR. The SCR system injects diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, into the exhaust stream. DEF reacts with the NOx gases, converting them into harmless water vapor and nitrogen. Using SCR also allows for a lower exhaust gas recirculation rate, resulting in less particulate matter, or soot production. Another upgraded feature is the Variable Geometry Turbocharger, or VGT. This replaces the variable flow turbocharger found on the WA200-7. With improved actuator design, utilizing hydraulic technology for variable control of airflow, providing optimal power and efficiency. The battery compartments are integrated into the counterweight assembly on Komatsu HST wheel loaders, with one battery mounted on the left and the other on the right. An important device also mounted in the right battery box is the battery disconnect switch. This is meant to be used to disconnect power when performing service work on the machine. The WA200-8 has a hydraulic-driven auto-reversing cooling fan. Some big advantages of a hydraulic cooling fan include reduced fan speeds, reduced noise, and reduced fuel consumption, as the fan only rotates at the speed needed for proper cooling. Additionally, the fan and cooling system are easy to access with the gas spring-assisted rear grille and swing-out fan frame. With the fan swung out of the way, the cooling system can be cleaned with compressed air or water. The wide core radiator features wider spacing of cooling fins to reduce core clogging. Another new feature added to the WA200-8 is the rear view camera. The image from the camera is displayed on a dedicated monitor in the cab. The operator can choose to have the rear view displayed at all times or only when the transmission is shifted into the reverse. Notice the accessibility in our engine compartment for daily check items. From the right side of the Tier 4 final engine, operators can check the engine oil, check and drain the water separator on the fuel pre-filter, and perform a general visual inspection. Service technicians have easy access to both fuel filters, the engine oil filter, and the Komatsu closed crankcase ventilation filter assembly, better known as the KCCV. The engine air filter is also located in the engine compartment. Speaking of service, it's important to talk about Komatsu Care. Komatsu builds some of the most reliable and technologically advanced machines in the industry. It is only fitting that we provide advanced product support. Komatsu and their distributors focus on providing customers unparalleled product support through the entire life cycle of the machine. We call it Komatsu Care, and it comes standard on WA200-8 HST wheel loaders. It has included complimentary scheduled maintenance for 3 years or 2,000 hours, whichever comes first. The WA200-8 uses diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, to help with NOx emissions reduction. DEF is stored on the machine in a special tank. On the WA200-8, the DEF tank is conveniently located near the left articulation joint behind this cover. Once opened, the blue tank cap makes identification easy. Always clean off any loose dirt before opening the tank. Komatsu's DEF tanks have a sight gauge on the outside of the tank to help the operator know when the tank is nearing the full mark. This concludes the features of the WA200-8 hydrostatic wheel loader. For more information, contact your local sales representative or visit KomatsuAmerica.com. Thank you for choosing Komatsu.